Ready to supercharge your Node.js app with seamless, secure payments? Today, we're diving deep into integrating Stripe, the global leader in online payment processing, directly into your Node.js backend. This isn't just about accepting payments. It's about building a robust, secure e-commerce experience for your users. Our journey begins by setting up your development environment. This involves installing the necessary Stripe Node.js library. Think of this as equipping your application with the tools it needs to communicate securely with Stripe's powerful API. Next, we'll focus on securely configuring your Stripe API keys. This is a critical step to ensure only authorized access to your Stripe account, protecting your sensitive financial data and preventing fraudulent activity. Now, let's architect the payment flow. We'll walk through creating an endpoint in your Node.js application that will handle incoming payment requests. This endpoint acts as the central hub, orchestrating the interaction between your application and Stripe. The heart of our integration lies in creating a Stripe payment intent. This is a server-side operation that tells Stripe what the transaction amount is and what currency is in it. Prepares Stripe for the payment and ensures that the customer is charged the correct amount. We'll then discuss how to capture the customer's payment details securely on the front end, often using Stripe's pre-built UI elements or their client-side SDK. This ensures that sensitive card information never touches your server directly, adhering to best practices for PCI compliance. Finally, we'll cover handling the response from Stripe. This involves confirming the payment status, whether it was successful or failed, and updating your application's database accordingly. We'll also touch upon managing customer data and handling potential webhooks from Stripe for real-time updates. By following these steps, you'll have a robust Stripe payment gateway integrated into your Node.js application, ready to power your e-commerce ambitions. Let's build something great